everyone, it's Maria here, and I am here to bring you an online haul. Now, I've been buying things from Amazon, eBay, Facebook, Wish, I think even Instagram. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the things that I have purchased that are hits and some that are misses. So we shall see what happens there. Oh, and before I forget, if you haven't seen my fall haul video, go ahead and check in the description below. I'll put the link so that way you'll be able to see how I DIY'd this beautiful candle and the thankful sign. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for the first product I purchased, I went through Amazon and I bought this really beautiful, what I thought was kind of beautiful, it was cute, I should say, sweatshirt. And I got this, and I thought it was so fun. Check this out. For those of you who like Cheetos, especially hot flaming Cheetos, look at this hoodie. I love it. It's so nice. The quality is great. Nice, fun fabric. The inside is soft. So this is actually an extra large. So I'm going to be gifting this. This is a beautiful sweatshirt, hoodie, but I just wanted to show that to you. So this was definitely a hit. I love it. And then, so another product that I purchased, this one I actually bought from Facebook. Okay, so they were advertising these workout pants, and it's from a company called PopFit, and these are great quality. Check these out. Great band. It's kind of like a thick elastic band, so it's really nice. Very nice stretch. It's got little pockets for your keys or your cell phone, which is really what was the seller for me. So when you're at the gym, you don't end up forgetting them or placing them somewhere and then having to go back. But really pretty design. Like I said, the quality is excellent. I would highly recommend this company. The delivery time was really good. So it's called PopFit. This is great. And just remember, I'll go ahead and put all of the links below for any of the products. Another item that I purchased, I bought this one also from Facebook. They were promoting a hair oil, a hair curling oil, kind of to help boost the curls in your hair. So the product itself, I won't be able to review on because I never got it. I ended up getting this hair conditioner. It's called like a hair repair. So I'm not going to recommend the company. I'm going to say it's a miss as far as the company is concerned. I did reach out to them. They never responded. It did take 2.5 months for the product to show up, and being that it showed up wrong, then no. So this is definitely a miss. Another item I purchased, let's go ahead and start with this. Oh, are these beautiful leggings. These are really cool. They're tights, actually, I should say. They don't have the footing. It stops at the ankle. Great stretch on them. Beautiful design. It's kind of hard to tell because it's black, but very pretty. Definitely, the quality is great. The delivery time was exceptional, so I would definitely recommend these. Don't remember the company, but I'll be sure to put that down below as well. This product is actually from Wish. Kind of makes me laugh because I had planned on wearing these to a concert, and I ended up going with something else because I couldn't really find like a shirt that I thought looked really cool with it. But it's kind of edgy. I got it from Wish. There are these really cool zippered pants. Check these out. Also kind of like a legging style. They're a little thicker than that, but they have zippers all along the front on each side, and it was a wonderful concert. I loved it. It was very rocker. It just was so much fun. But sadly, I didn't wear these. I ended up wearing something else. But these are definitely a hit. I like them. Okay, so the next item I purchased was from Amazon. This one I purchased some hair towels. I don't know if you've seen them. They promote that they dry your hair in so many minutes. Can I just say they don't? I'll tell you here in just a second. So we've got there were 2 towels in one pack. There was a blue one and a pink one. The pink one is still in the package itself, but I've already tried it out. I put this up on my head, I shower, expecting miracles, of course, but the one thing I can't say what it does is it absorbs a lot of the moisture out of your hair, and it does tame down some of the frizziness because I've got some curls and waves in my hair, so if I'm not careful, it does get a little nuts, but that I would say is a hit as far as the absorption of some of the water out of your hair. That's good, but it does not dry. It does not dry your hair. So if you're buying it for the sake of thinking you're gonna save time, wrap this around your head while you're getting yourself ready, you'll have a different thought. So for one thing, as far as the quality, it's a hit. For what they're selling and promoting it, I would say it's a miss. So, all right, so moving right along, we have got these, this cute little shirt. I want to say I got this from Instagram. It's a sweet shirt. It says, faith over fear, very, very soft. I went back online to see if it was there. They now have it in pink with a V-neck, so I kind of wish I had that one instead. But this is beautiful, very soft, extremely soft. So good quality, and it's got the thickness is pretty good. It's not really thin, but again, it's not very thick. It's just very soft. So I would definitely promote this company. I would say it's a hit. I will put the link below because I thought the service was great. The delivery time was very fast, so this is a hit. The other item, can I just say right off the top before I even show you that it is a miss? I bought these legging jeans. Have you seen these? I'm gonna put that here. They're not. I just don't even know where to start. These are awful, just awful. Check these out. Okay, so they're more of like a loose tight. It's not even a very tight, or a legging because it cuts off at the bottom. But check out their so-called jeans. It's like printed on there. It's not even sewn on there. It's not even like a three-dimensional feel or texture on there. It is just printed onto the fabric. They're about as cheesy can get. This is awful. And I think what is worse is that I bought 3. So I bought one for myself, two for myself and one for my daughter. But if there's going to be any kind of save on this, and I haven't tried it on because quite honestly I'm too embarrassed to, but I'm thinking as far as possibly having a save on this is just wearing them with a very long sweater, and we'll just see what happens there. But that's just awful. And you can see here I've got 3, 1 black or 2 black and 1 in blue, and the delivery time did take a little while. I just don't even know where to start. It just was a big miss. So that is my clothing haul as far as my online purchases are concerned. And some other items I'm going to include happen to include kitchen items. So we've got a couple of cooks and chefs in our family, and my daughter's kind of following along that same line. So we've been doing a lot of the cooking here at home, and I wanted to show you one of the first purchases I made was she wanted to try out the cupcake decorating kit, or it could be cake decorating kit. And this is amazing. It wasn't very expensive at all. It came with so much. You've got 3 of these scrapers or smoothers. It came with all of these tips, and it came with the bags. So we've already used this a few times. It's been a lot of fun. This is a great kit. I would recommend this. It's awesome. We've had a lot of fun with it. Also along the lines with the kitchen items, we have tried out the recipes from online. We tried making bolis, if you haven't heard of that. It's like ice cream that you find in the long plastic bags, mostly in like the Hispanic stores or Latin stores. You'll see that this is still sealed. All I did was buy the plastic bags to make more. So if you guys are interested, I can always make a video on how to. Let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to do that. But I'll put some of the ice cream products that we've made here. I can say that my all-time favorite was, there were two, the strawberry cheesecake that we made, and then we also made the Nutella. Oh my gosh, those two were super good. So that's what these plastic bags are for. Okay, so the other item that I ordered online was this hand blender. We got on board with the banana coffees. We love those. I love them. The first time I made it with the whisk, and then the second time I used the hand mixer, but I didn't have like the correct attachments for it. So we went ahead and ordered this one. It's by Mueller. My daughter really wanted to make it, so we went ahead and did that. And it comes with the egg whisk and the milk frother, and it's a blender as well. So for the price, I thought it was great. It comes with different attachments, so this was definitely a hit, and we have been using it quite a bit. Big time saver as well. So before I show you the final product, I'm going to show you two things. Let me tell you a little story. My daughter wanted to make the 3-ingredient creme brulee, which I was all for. I'm a big supporter of following your dreams and making things happen. So I said, what do you need? And so I ended up ordering her this Ramekin set, and it's really nice. It comes in 4 ramekins, comes with 4 ramekins. They sit in this little tray, which I thought was wonderful because that just falls right into the dish itself. So I got her this, and then I knew she was going to need like a little torch, and I said, do you want me to go ahead and order that for you now? She's like, no, no, no. She says, I've got this lighter, and that should do the trick. And I said, okay, we'll do that. So she calls me up and she says, I've got everything done, but the lighter is not working. And I said, okay, so I went ahead and stopped over at a store. It's a restaurant and equipment store. So I went in there and I asked for the little torch for creme brulees. And so they said, we're all out, but I can give you something else. And I said, okay. So he sells me this butane fuel can and the attachment. He says, oh, it's perfect, it'll work wonderfully, you don't have to worry. So I'm not gonna put this together because this thing scares me, quite honestly. I put it together, and my daughter, she's sitting there going, I can't light this. And I said, okay, let me give it a shot. So I lit it, and I kid you not, this flame shoots out so far, and I'm like, oh my God. So needless to say, everything got put back together and it hasn't been used. So the one thing, she was so disappointed, first of all, and she's like, what am I gonna do? I've got these creme brulees and they're not done. So I was talking to a neighbor and she says, you know, they make these tiny little lighters that look like torches. So we went down to the corner 7-Eleven and bought this. You can see that there. So this worked out beautifully for what we wanted it. So that is actually the product that made her day. I love it. So if you're thinking about making creme brulee, the 3-ingredient one, by the way, turned out so good. So here you go. Go for the Ramekin set that has the tray, so that when it sits in here, the little ramekins are not floating around. Definitely go for this. And just stop by your local 7-Eleven or order these online. I love this. And this will be your lifesaver. Do not get this unless you're a professional or you plan on welding something. So this is definitely put away somewhere else. But anyway, that is my haul. That is my little story time. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. Be sure to watch the fall haul video, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching, and as always, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Love you all. Until next time.